Hi, my name is Victor Akinode. If this is your first time here, welcome. Else, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can build a sustainable business. Yeah, I really want to believe that we are not building business or we are not working on an idea for just a short term or for just a short period of time. We want to build a generational company and a generational wealth at the same time. We want to build a company that will still live even when we are no more. An example of such companies are Coca-Cola and some other big companies across the world. Some of the founders of these companies are no more, but the companies are still living till now. So then how do you build a sustainable business? Let's go right into it. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Victor Akinode, a techpreneur and a growth strategist. I am also a scholar who is intentional and passionate about helping young minds achieve their dreams. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. It promises to be impactful and inspiring. Thank you. Yeah, as I said earlier, we all want to build a business that would last longer and that will live forever. But for us to do that, it starts from the model. And for the model to work, it needs human beings. So the first thing I'll discuss here is that you need to hire the best possible people or the best possible talents on your company. Yeah, you need to hire people who can embody the value you have in mind. You need to hire the right people. You don't just have to bring a number of people to your team and try to tell them to start working. Know the best talents, invest so much in those talents, and ensure that they are representing your companies very well. Because if you can have the right people on your company, or if you can have the right people representing your company or working in your company, then you are always inside success, or you are always close to success. So try as much as you can to hire the right people, hire the right team, hire the right talents in your company, because these are the people that are going to provide the value you need, and the value you need is what your customers need. And in as much your customers are still buying from you, then it's a long-term journey. You're going to be there forever. Don't make the mistake of hiring the wrong people. The next one is you need to have multiple revenue channels. Yeah, it is very, very important. A company like Google has around 271 products at the moment, and just imagine the kind of revenue they will be generating. Yeah, when I mean Google, I mean Alphabet. So look at the amount of revenue they're going to be generating at this point. So then you need to have more than one channel of revenue. And how do you do that? Even while you're still a small business. And how can you do that? You can as well be like Google by creating two or more products to sell to people. I mean, two or more different products to sell to people. And another thing is you can actually create a new section from your business, right, that can offer service to people as you sell the product. The service could be anything. Think about it. You know your business model more than I do. But you should try to look for sections, or you should try to look for areas where you can as well bring in more revenues, because once you're generating revenue, it influences your cash flow. So try to have more than one channel of revenue or more than one stream of income for your business. The next one is go for the long-term game. Yeah, you can't just play the short-term game. You don't do that. When you are setting the goals, have a big goal, have a long-term goal, and divide them into chunks. Then when you're dividing them into chunks, it could be in form of short-term, right? But you know that these short-term are a kind of subsets to the long-term goal you've set for yourself. And how can you do that? Yeah, go for the long-term game and play the game very, very well. Ensure that your value does not reduce along the line, maybe when you're now getting more customers, because if your values are reducing with time, your customer base will reduce too. So try to ensure that it doesn't reduce, and at the same time, you keep giving them the value and you keep increasing the value for them. With that, they are going to stay, and with that, your business is going to last longer. The next one is manage your cash flow well. You know why? Because your cash flow is the oxygen for your business. So if your cash flow is no more there, then definitely your business is dead. Don't try to ratchet your lifestyle up with the little that is coming in. There are some times that when you're getting the money, you need to reinvest it back into the business for the business to grow broader. So for you to build a sustainable business, and for you to build a business that's going to last longer in the market, or a generational business or company, you need to manage your cash flow well. You need to manage the oxygen of your business well. The next one is you don't have to do everything yourself. Don't do everything yourself. Yeah, we are talking about the sustainability of your business here. And for your business to be sustainable, you need to bring in people who are visionaries, people who can carry the vision, and people who can embody the values you have in mind for your business. So try to get the right team, the right people on the team, as I said earlier in one of the previous points. And at the same time, try to ensure that these people are partaking in the sustainability vision. You are not going to be there forever. So try to commit things into their hand, as you have the mindset that you're not going to do everything all by yourself. So you shouldn't lead everything all by yourself too. So you must be a good leader, and at the same time, you must live an exemplary life that people that are coming behind are going to emulate. The main thing there is don't forget to involve your team in the sustainability vision. It might not be because of that. It might just be maybe because you're not around at that particular point in time and they don't have the people to manage it. They don't have the right hands to get things done. So don't do everything yourself and involve them in what you're doing, most especially the one that are ready to carry the vision with you. The next one is you need to know your why. You need to know the reason why you're doing the business, because if you don't know the reason why you're doing the business, you might get fed up along the line and the whole idea might be tiring to you and you'll be like, come on, I need to leave this business. So you need to know your why. And you must be the first person as an entrepreneur, or let me say as the founder of the company, you need to be the first person that needs to know the why before you can now say you want to carry it on to your followers or to the employees or to your associates. So you need to know your why. And why do you need to do that? Because this would help you and it will guide you in making sound decisions for your business, because it is a product of a clear vision. So if you're having a clear vision, you know your why, it will help you to go a long way. You might know your what, you might know your how, but your why is very, very important, because they will help you to make quality and sound decisions going forward. The last one here is know your value proposition and focus on it. Yeah, you need to know your value proposition. You need to know the reason why your customers are buying from you. Yeah. So once you've known the reason, then you get to know the, oh wow, this is the value I'm offering them, and stick to that value and try to look into how you can increase the value and make it better to them. Because if you can focus more on your value proposition, then you are in the long-term game already. And why did I say that? When users are buying from you, or when users are patronizing you, or when you are rendering a service to a group of users or to your customer segment, and they are realizing that they are getting more value from you day by day, they are not going to leave you and they're going to stay with you forever. So try as much as you can not to deviate from your value proposition and try to focus on something else. No, know your value proposition, know the value that your customers are getting from you that makes them stick with you, and try to make it better. Thank you so much for seeing this video till the end. I remain myself, Victor Akinode. Please like, share and comment on my videos, and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be among the first set of people that are going to get my subsequent videos. I mean, subsequent amazing contents I'll be putting on this space. So thank you so much, and don't forget to share with your friends, share with your colleagues. Peace out. I love you.